What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Today this video is about my decor in my master bathroom. It's kind of a forest theme. Honestly, I don't really think I did it on purpose. It's just something that kind of happened over the years. But let me go ahead and get into this video and show you what my master bathroom looks like. See what I was saying? Kind of like a little forest in here. I got these soap dispensers from Dollar Tree and I use my chalk marker to label them. And I know you're probably thinking, how many scissors can one person have? Oh, and this is my faucet that I bought on Amazon that I absolutely love. It looks so cute and so original. And these came from IKEA. I don't think they even sell these anymore, but I labeled them with some little kind of like chalk paper from Dollar Tree and my chalk marker again, Q-tips. And then this has my toothpaste and my jade roller and dental floss in the miscellaneous basket. And then I got my cotton balls and whoop, oh dang, I need some more cotton balls. Okay, got that looking better now. Got that filled up. This mirror was just a builder grade mirror when I moved in here, so I framed it by getting some molding from Lowe's and I spray painted this nice silver color, and then I used some contact cement glue to glue it to the mirror itself. This light fixture is fairly new. I bought it from Lowe's for like 45 bucks. You could put it either upside down or facing up, and it completely illuminated my bathroom when I faced it up, so that's how I like it. These next items, this paper towel holder, the trash can, and the toilet paper holder, I believe I got all these from Ross. However, I shop a lot, so more than likely I got these things from Ross. I'm pretty sure I did. But these items couldn't have been no more than $8, $9 a piece, or no more than 10. Let's say that. Now, I've had this basket for a while. Chances are I probably got it from my favorite store, Ross. But I put reindeer moss in it and some regular moss from Dollar Tree. And then I just filled it with a few pine cones and these little styrofoam balls that I've had for years. And that was a simple little cute DIY project. Now, I definitely remember getting this box from Ross. I paid no more than about $6 or $7 for it, just a plain box. And I got this candle holder from Dollar Tree. Everybody's seen plenty of those before. And I got this black lantern from IKEA. Probably spent no more than about $4 on it. Yeah, I believe it's $4. And then I got this cute little succulent, also from Dollar Tree. And so I used some other Dollar Tree items such as these little pieces of wood, chips, and I believe I used some moss and some rocks. The pine cones that I'm going to put in here I got from my mother's backyard. Oh, I almost forgot. This little black butterfly I had from a previous wall decal that I had. But, I mean, you could simply make this. Just cut out a butterfly on some black paper and stick it wherever you want. Pretty easy. And this cute Bless Our Home sign came from, you guessed it, Ross. One and only. I probably paid no more than about $6 for this. As you can see, Ross is one of my favorite stores. But this shower curtain did not come from Ross. It came from Walmart. I think this was like $16, $17. And I have a little fetish for owls. I've had this fetish for going on for probably the last 5 years. I don't know where it came from, but I thought this was gorgeous. All the colors in this shower curtain, the turquoise, the pink with the mix of the cream and brown and slight oranges, I thought was just so adorable. I had to have it, especially because of the owls. But yeah, this sets off the whole theme to the bathroom. Y'all, I'm sorry. I can't even really comment on this brown curtain. I don't even remember how I got it. It probably came from Walmart too. We're just going to say Walmart, but I mean, I just need a brown balance. Now this I got from IKEA a long time ago. These rocks, I don't think they came with it. These might be like little Dollar Tree pebble rocks. But this whole candle set came with the tray and the different colored candles. I love green. That is my favorite color, so I had to have it. And it went nicely in my bathroom, so here it is on the windowsill. Now this was a recent new project that I did for this wall. I basically went outside my yard and found a nice branch, a big size branch to cover the wall, and I used some old flowers that I've had for years in a old wreath that I had or something like that. And these flowers, you know, I kind of cleaned them up. They were dirty. I spray painted them different colors, so I used this Rust-Oleum Ocean Mist color for some of these flowers, and then I used this regular plain beige color for these other flowers. I was kind of upset because I had some spray paints that wouldn't spray, because I wanted to put a little bit of a hint of a brown color in these flowers and have a nice little 2, maybe 3-tone scheme going on, but some of my spray paints weren't working, so this is what I got. I also had some leftover flowers that look good, some peonies, I believe that's what they're called, from Dollar Tree. So I mixed that in the bunch as well, and then hot glued them with some leaves in various places on the branch and stuck it on my wall, and that was an easy little project. And nothing much in the shower, just my shower caddies, and oh, this waterproof speaker that I got from Ross. Dang, I think I got a problem. Anyways, it was like $15, and I have to listen to my music when I'm in the shower, and I could play some nice relaxing music like the music I'm playing in this video for you, or I like to sing along to things and pretend to hit some notes that only I think that I'm hitting. And oh, and that shower head, I got that from Amazon, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and last but not least is my floor mats. These are really comfortable and have a nice feel to them. Yes, I got them from Ross. But look, I've been wondering about this idea for a while. What do you guys think about a moss mat? Just like this one. I don't know. Is it a little too extreme? You guys comment below and let me know what you think. I'm really on the fence about this one. But yeah, you guys go ahead and comment below and let me know what you think. And thank you again for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.